We are at the toll plaza somewhere.
Turkey Lake Plaza.
And this is gonna
Turnpike.
This is gonna be a vending machine.
And we're gonna get a snack. What snack are we getting?
I guess we'll get a snack.
Let's see. They have chips, Cheez-Its, pretzels, and Pop-Tarts, and Rice Krispie treats, and mini cookies, and candy.
I guess we'll get that peanut butter cracker thing at the
Peanut butter
bottom.
cheese crackers?
Yeah, at the bottom.
That's $1. How many quarters is $1?
It's
4.
4. I'm gonna go ahead and do this.
One at a time, wait for it to click.
Do I drop it in there? Yeah.
It's 601.
Alright, 6. Did the number go up? You tap it.
6, 0.
Oh, check out.
Check it out.
Click check out. Oh, we got it. Well, that looks like the video. And we got and then we got it out of that vending machine. There's the soda one, and that's it. And that's it, and goodbye.
Yep.
Alright. That's it, and goodbye. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And that's it, and goodbye. And bye. Bye.